The WELOCK ToucA51 Pro isn't just another smart lock. It's a statement of convenience and innovation. Building on the solid foundation of the standard ToucA51, the Pro version introduces 7 distinct unlocking methods for ultimate flexibility: fingerprint, passcode, RFID card, smartphone app, temporary password, USB-C backup, and even voice control via the Wi-Fi Box 3 gateway. Whether it's for your home, Airbnb rental, or office, the ToucA51 Pro adapts effortlessly to your lifestyle. The standout feature here is the new temporary password function, allowing you to generate time-limited access codes directly from the WeLock app, perfect for visitors, guests, or service staff who need secure but restricted entry. The WeLock ToucA51 Pro is designed for Euro profile cylinders, adjustable from 50 to 100 millimeters, making it compatible with most European-style doors. Installation is refreshingly straightforward. Remove 3 screws, replace the old cylinder, and you're done. No drilling or wiring required. In less than 10 minutes, you can transform your door into a smart access point. The WeLock ToucA51 Pro Smart Lock cylinder stands out as a refined evolution in home security. With its 7-in-1 access system, AI-powered fingerprint recognition, anti-peep protection, and seamless smart home integration, it perfectly balances security, convenience, and style. Whether you're upgrading your home, modernizing a rental, or enhancing office security, the ToucA51 Pro delivers professional-grade performance with consumer-level simplicity. Smart, secure, and sophisticated, the WeLock ToucA51 Pro is the smart lock cylinder your connected home deserves.